We specialize mostly in work that supports the auto manufacturing industry as well as the oil and gas industry. Before we used ProShop, we were using JobBoss, and we decided that the paper-based part of that was too inefficient to continue our growth. And ProShop offered us an opportunity to ditch the paper and get fully into the digital world. The challenge for us with our old system was the inefficiency of finding information. So if a customer called and asked for a status update on a part, it might take half a day to get the answer, and customers don't like to wait half a day for updates. With ProShop, we've been able to reduce the time it takes from receiving an order until the order is in process from probably 3 days down to about 30 minutes. The time it takes between order entry and starting an order on the floor is almost immediate. If we have material available in the shop, we can literally enter an order in the morning and have it running in the afternoon. The amount of setup time that we've saved for jobs where we've invested in putting our notes and photos into the system is definitely 20 to 30%. So for anybody in the company who needs it, they can access that information without having to hunt down a file or dig through cabinets to get there. When we first implemented ProShop and began to track our on-time delivery, we were probably 65%. Now that we're watching that metric, we're up closer to 90%, and that's only within less than a year of our implementation of ProShop. We show ProShop to all of the folks that come through on shop tours, whether they be quality related or customer related, and without a doubt, the impression that people take away is Quadrant is a high-tech company that invests in technology, and ProShop is a great example of that. ERP implementation or switching ERP systems is a major project. However, the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow is well worth the work it takes to get there. ProShop is definitely the backbone of our company. My name is Bo and my shop is powered by ProShop.